Ready? Start. Heard. Learned counsel for the parties. Para. Petitioners have challenged order dated 31/8/2005 passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal Patna Bench, Patna, whereby OA number 892 of 2003 has been disposed of with certain directions in paragraph 5 of the impugned order, which is as follows. Para. The inter se seniority has to be decided after notice to all those who are likely to be affected. Full stop. We find that only five individuals have been arrayed as respondents. Full stop. Therefore, an exercise has to be undertaken by the controlling authority, that is, Engineer in Chief, Army Headquarters, in accordance with the rules of recruitment instructions issued by the Department of Personnel from time to time, and our observations made above in the body of the judgment after due notice to the applicants and all others who are likely to be affected. Full stop. Personal hearing may also be granted. Full stop. Therefore, a speaking order shall be passed. Full stop. This exercise shall be completed within 4 months from the date of receipt of a copy of the judgment. Full stop. Para. On behalf of the petitioners, an attempt was made in show that the issue of appointing authority is not in dispute. Full stop. On the basis of the averments made in paragraph 8 of the writ petition, it was submitted that prior to 7/1/1974, the engineer-in-chief, which the appointing authority, but actual appointment was made by the chief engineer command, and post 7/1/1974, the power of appointment of LDCS has been vested in Chief Engineer Command, widely later dated 7/1/1974. Full stop. On the basis it was submitted that the recruitment to the post of LDC is made on command basis, and hence their seniority is also maintained command wise. Full stop. Para. From the order of the learned tribunal, it is evident that the tribunal was not satisfied with the inconsistent plea taken by the respondents to meet the grievance of the applicants, that the basis of the seniority after promotion from LDC to UDC at each command level are arbitrary and defective because it disturbs the seniority determined on all India basis at the time of entry into label of LDC. Full stop. It is admitted that while promotion from LDC to UDC is made at command level, subsequent promotion from UDC to the post of assistant is made on all India basis. Full stop. Such promotion is according to seniority and fitness. Full stop. Because of inconsistent and unsatisfactory reply of the respondents, the tribunal could not come to a definite conclusion and did not give any finding of its own, but in order to give further opportunity to the authorities who are respondents before the tribunal, the direction contained in paragraph 5 as noticed above were issued. Full stop. Now it is for the authorities to pass a speaking order justifying their action so as to meet the grievance of the applicants. Full stop. This exercise, in our view, does not adversely affect the petitioner's hearing so as to warrant our interference in writ jurisdiction full stop. Hence, we find no merit in the writ petition which is dismissed accordingly full stop. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.